Now you know I love my engraving tool. Well, today we're going big. New kit, new challenge, and a giveaway. So buckle in, this one's going to be fun. Welcome back Tadpoles, Uncle Frogface here, your resident artist, art supply enthusiast and collector, and firm believer that trying new things shouldn't be scary, they should be fun. Now if you've been around on the channel for a while, you'll know that I am a huge fan of the customizer. In fact, it's one of my highest performing reviews on the channel and I use this a lot. This gadget makes engraving on pretty much anything an absolute breeze, and today we're checking out the Resparked Wood Engraving Kit. So this has been sent to me. This is a companion to the customizer. A box full of everything you'll need to make something awesome if you are new to the craft. Not only have they sent me this, they have also sent me the Ultimate Bits bundle, which we're going to break into in just a moment. We'll have a look at all of this in just a moment, but first I've got something equally exciting for you guys. Yes, that's right, the exciting part for you guys, because not only did Resparked give me this Ultimate Bits bundle, they gave me a second. I don't need all of these bits, but you know what? If you've got a customizer and you want to try it out on different materials and try some different crafts, this is the thing for you. And I'm going to give this away to one lucky viewer. Let's call it a Valentine's Day gift. Let's make this a nice Valentine's Day themed video. Share the love. All you need to do to enter this is head over to my website, www.unclefrogfacestudio.com. Sign up for the mailing list, and everyone that has entered between now and the end of February will be in with a chance of winning this Ultimate Bits bundle. I will choose one lucky winner over on my social media and I will send that out to you. Okay, now that that's covered and you know exactly what you need to do to enter the giveaway, I suppose we should crack these open and see what is inside these kits. Let's have a proper explore, shall we? Yep, here we are. So we have the Wood Engraving Kit. This is the Discovery series. So these are the kits made by Respark to go along with the customizer to give you an idea of how you can use it with different medium and different supplies. We've also got the Ultimate Bits bundle, which I will come to in just a moment because I am so intrigued as to what is inside this kit. I love these boxes. They are so nice. So let's crack this open. We've got hello there. I love the branding for Resparked. Hello there. Thank you for choosing the Discovery series. We're excited to join you on your creative journey. Open here. Now, of course, we have got some bits inside. So we've got 4 bamboo coasters, a bamboo tray, a practice material, stencils, and the wood carving bit as well. That's quite a lot for one kit. I'll have a look. I can see something slipped out there. I think that's the wood engraving kit. We've got stencils here as well. Yeah, this is looking good. Let's have a little look at these coasters. So we've got 1, 2, 3, 4. Bamboo's a nice forgiving material, which is nice. Oh, that's a nice one. That's a nice tray. Today's stack on top, they do. So you can kind of stack them like that. Very nice. Let's just put that. There we go. So we've got one wood engraving bit in here. Very nice. We've got our stencils. Oh, cute. So there's letters. I can see some tea and coffee themed things in here as well. And then in here we've got a practice material, just like we did with the glass one as well. We've got a lovely practice material, which is a piece of bamboo. Let's open this up. Very nice. Yeah, it's exactly the same wood, so we're going to be able to try that out and see exactly how this bit works. I'm going to pop that there. I want to have a little look at these stencils as well, because I've never really been one for using stencils. I usually do things freehand, but these are actually very sweet, so it might be an idea to use these. and do a little something. I'm thinking I might make a little gift for Andrew, for my husband, for Valentine's Day. So he's very much a coffee drinker. So maybe I'll do some coffee beans, some flowers, and then his initial. I mean, that sounds like it might be a nice idea. And of course, with it being Valentine's Day, I thought I would share with you an extra special deal. So, usually, I would give you guys a 10% discount if you use the link down below and go over, and if you purchase anything from Resparked. However, the lovely people over at Resparked have given me the authority to say to you, you know what, I'm not giving you 10% off. I'm going to give you 15% off. So from the 10th until the 14th of February 2025, use the code down below, head over to the Resparked website, and you can get 15% off any purchase. You'll be able to try these for a little bit cheaper. Now, we've also got this as well. So I need a... There we go. I need to just get through that bit of plastic there. So this is the same kit that I'm going to be giving away to one lucky person. So head over and get yourself a customizer now, and you might have all of these bits coming out to you. Oh, wow. Okay, so we've got wood carving bits that comes with a tutorial on there in these lovely little pods, which is a huge upgrade on the packaging. These are some bits I got previously in a container like this. These are just, I would happily take these out with me. So this one is for stone grinding, which I have never tried with the customizer, so we will definitely have to try that one out. We've got the tungsten molding set here, which I do have some of these. These are great for really grinding into wood. And then here we've got a sanding and polishing set as well, great for metal. So that is, I mean, they're lovely little pods by themselves, but actually that's a really nice little display for them. I think I'm going to have that on my desk like that with my customizer, so I've got those bits to hand all the time. And you know what to do if you want to get your hands on one of these for yourself. Right now though, I think I should go ahead and do a little practice on this piece here. So let's just go ahead and grab a pencil, and I am going to just draw, you know what, I'm going to draw a lily pad. This is part of my signature when I do artwork. So I'm going to draw a little lily pad on here, and then we're going to take our piece out of here, pop it into the customizer, and then we're just going to go ahead and try this out. So that was an incredibly quick demonstration of how to use this. And the nib that comes with this, the point that they've given you, it's very hard to see here. Let me see if I can get it a little bit closer. There we go. It's kind of teardrop shaped. So actually, depending on how you touch the wood, you can get different line widths with this. There we go. You can see the further you go on the side of this, the deeper that is going to engrave, and it really does grab that wood and engraves incredibly well. So I'm going to take a couple of minutes. I'm going to design one of these coasters for Andrew as a little Valentine's Day gift, and then do a quick engraving on that. Now, not only is that a super satisfying craft to do, it's a rather nice Valentine's gift as well. And I've got enough here that I can actually go ahead and do the whole set. Now, one thing I will say about this is when I was using the stencils, which I don't normally do, I found it hard to get this curve in there because it's square. So I did cut out just that one, you can see, and popped it in there. You could get some really intricate designs with this, you know, just go on there with a pencil, hit it with an eraser afterwards, it comes off. It's wood. Of course it does. It's really easy. I would suggest, if you're doing this for the first time, practice as much as you can on the material that's provided. That's why it's there, to get you the best results that you can get. But I've been using this tool for a while, and you know, I'm doing this nice and quickly. So yeah, this is the Valentine's Day gift for my husband. Don't forget, if you want to get your hands on the Bits Bundle, the Ultimate Bits Bundle, head over to my website, sign up for the newsletter, and yeah, someone's going to be getting a pretty sweet upgrade to their engraving game. As always, if you've enjoyed this, give it a like, subscribe for more art and craft adventures, and let me know in the comments, what would you engrave with this kit? Until next time, stay creative, keep experimenting, have fun, and I'll see you soon, Tadpoles.